So this is the basic overview of thinkorswim chart feature. This is going to be real quick and very, very beginner. If you're more advanced, maybe you'll learn something during this, or it might be a good refresher, but if not, we'll definitely do more advanced videos. So yeah, let's look at this. So right now we're in the Home Depot stock chart, and each stock has a ticker. So you can find these tickers in these stocks by going to the search bar right here in the top left corner. So if I wanted to go to Apple, their ticker is AAPL, and as you type shit in, recommended shit or whatever you type in is going to come up. So you can click on Apple, Apple pops up. This is Apple stock price action over the last 3 years. But we're going to go back to Home Depot. Their ticker's HD, so we type that in, press enter, or you find their thing, which is right here. So now we're back. So yeah, that's how you get stocks. And their current price, as you see here, is $250.11 per share. So now all these green and red rectangle looking things across my screen, they're called candlesticks, and these candlesticks represent the stock price and the stock action between 1 week increments, because we're on the 3-year weekly chart. So each one of these, this red one, that means the red, there was a decrease in price right here over that week. The next one, it's green, so there's a little increase, green. Over that next week, it was an increase. So each one of these represents the price action over the time frame in the increments, whatever time period or time frame your chart's on. So to get that time frame and to maneuver between different time frames, you go right here where it says WK or whatever your time setting's on, click, and then you can switch between. So you can do the 1 year, 1 day. So now each one of these candlesticks represents 1 day each. And you can tell and make sure, because right here in the top left, it has the date. Keep an eye on that as I maneuver over. The date, so look, it's going by day, 18th, 19th, 20th, so on. And then it even goes down to the 1 day, 1 minute chart. So now each one of these candlesticks, there's a lot more because it's by the minute, but you can zoom in by clicking and dragging, and then that's your zoomed in area. But now each one of these represents 1 minute. If you want to get out, back out and zoom out, there's 2 zoom buttons down here, zoom out, zoom in, the magnifying glasses. You can click those or shortcut. If I was to zoom in mad real quick, all you got to do to get back out is just double tap the screen. So you just double tap the screen, now you're back out. I'm going to go back to the 3-year weekly because it's a little clearer. So yes, we did another video on time frame that's already up. Go watch that shit. It's a little more in depth. So yeah, what else do I want to show you guys? I'll show you guys some of the tools. Down here in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a little pointer cursor type shit. Click on it to change your tool. And these are all different tools that you can use to your advantage. Some of them are for strategies. Some of them, like this is a text box. You can like write it here and type like, hey, and then it'll be right there. I don't want that, so I'm just gonna right click it and then remove drawing to delete it. But trend line, probably like the one I use the most, if not. Right here, then you have a trend line. So this helps you like kind of, show and remind yourself what kind of trend that the stock's on. So in all of these, it looks like Home Depot's been on an uptrend, retracing uptrend, steady uptrend the whole time. So that trend tool is cool. I'm going to remove all these drawings. I'm not going to go through every one of these tools just because we can do specific videos going through each one of them and how to use these tools to your advantage. So I'm going to go back to the pointer tool right here, but those are pretty cool. Do some research on those and we'll have videos for you guys too. And while you're watching this, if you're noticing that your screen doesn't look like mine, it's because I have custom settings on just because I like it how it is. I change it a lot, but for the most part I keep it the same. I'm going to do another video explaining my settings exactly if you guys want to make your chart look like this, and then just learn how to change those settings as well if you guys just want to change them to your liking. Yeah, so if you want to look at another cool tool right here, these are all grids, and these little squares represent number of charts. So if I click 2, if I highlight 2 here and click, I can pull up 2 stocks at the same time, which is pretty cool. So this is cool for like if you have a company and then the overall market, you can see how they're doing hand in hand. And if you want to go back, just click the 1. Now you're back here. So yeah, guys, this is really, really basic. We'll have more intermediate videos next. We'll have advanced videos, whatever you guys want to see. Make sure to leave a comment on the video. Let us know how we did, if you guys learned something, if you guys had questions. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, guys. And thanks. We're gonna be doing a lot more soon. And keep in touch.